5 big sedans that mechanics say won't die. Most people have written off the full-size sedan. Walk into any dealership and the sales floor is dominated by crossovers, SUVs, and trucks. The sedan has been pushed to the corner like it's some kind of relic. But here's what the car buying public doesn't always consider. The people who actually know what breaks and what lasts aren't shopping for trends. They're mechanics, and when you ask a mechanic which used cars they'd actually put their own money into. Full-size sedans keep showing up on the list. Why? Because when a full-size sedan is engineered well, it delivers something rare in today's market: real space, genuine comfort, serious highway capability, and long-term mechanical durability, often at a fraction of what you'd pay for an equivalent SUV. The problem is that not all big sedans are created equal. Some age beautifully. Others fall apart the moment the warranty expires, turning into a parade of electrical gremlins, failing suspension components, and repair bills that make you question every decision that led you to that purchase. So today, we're cutting through the noise. No brand loyalty, no hype, no sponsored opinions. We're looking at 5 full-size sedans that have earned genuine respect from the people who spend their days underneath cars, mechanics who see what actually holds up over 150,000, 200, even 250,000 miles of real-world use. Lexus LS46 zero menos 2010 to 2012. Let's open with the car that consistently tops mechanics lists when you ask about full-size luxury sedans built to last. The Lexus LS460, specifically the 2010 through 2012 model years. Under the hood is a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 producing around 380 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. That combination is smooth, refined, and engineered with long-term endurance as a priority. This is not a stressed-out turbocharged engine chasing a horsepower number on a spec sheet. It's old-school Lexus philosophy: build it conservatively, build it to last, and let the engineering speak over time. The LS platform was designed from the ground up to compete with the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series. But unlike many of its German rivals, Lexus prioritized simplicity and longevity over complexity and cutting-edge technology that ages poorly. The result is a drivetrain with a strong long-term reputation when serviced on schedule. The timing setup uses a chain, not a belt. The transmission has a solid history across multiple generations. The internal build quality is exactly what you'd expect from a manufacturer that has built its entire reputation around reliability. Now, you do need to be strategic when shopping. Avoid models equipped with aging air suspension unless you're financially prepared for the repair costs that come with it. Air suspension on any car at this age and mileage demands respect. Stick to the rear-wheel drive configuration for the simplest ownership experience, and always verify the cooling system has been properly maintained. Electronics are generally reliable for the class, but you still want to thoroughly test every feature before you buy. The sweet spot is a well-documented 2010 to 2012 rear-wheel drive example from a private owner who understood what they had and treated it accordingly. When maintained correctly, the LS460 isn't just a comfortable car, it's a genuinely durable one. That's why mechanics keep pointing to it. Flagship luxury without the European maintenance drama. Toyota Avalon minus 2013 to 2018 if the LS460 represents flagship luxury done durably. The Toyota Avalon represents something equally valuable: intelligent, unpretentious dependability. The 2030 and the 2018 Avalon comes equipped with Toyota's proven GR-FE 3.5-liter V6, producing between 268 and 301 horsepower depending on the model year. This engine has one of the strongest long-term reputations in the entire industry. It uses a timing chain. It's naturally aspirated, and when maintained properly with consistent oil changes and basic service, it is common, not exceptional, but common, to see these engines surpass 250,000 miles without major intervention. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine is similarly mechanics like the Avalon precisely because it's predictable. No fragile turbo systems, no unnecessarily complex electronics that create problems at 80,000 miles. No over-engineered features that were impressive in a showroom and expensive in a repair shop 5 years later. Just solid, conventional engineering built for the kind of long highway miles that American drivers actually put on their cars. Inside, the Avalon punches above its class. The cabin is quiet, the materials feel upscale, and the ride comfort is genuinely excellent. All without asking you to pay European luxury brand service costs. What should you check? At higher mileage, inspect the suspension. Struts and control arms will show wear. Confirm the transmission shifts cleanly and smoothly through every gear. Verify a consistent oil change history. That's really the checklist. Catastrophic failures are rare when the car has been maintained. Look for a clean 2014 to 2017 model with documented service records. And you're acquiring a full-size sedan that mechanics consider one of the safest bets in the used car market. Ford Taurus menos 2013 2218. The Ford Taurus doesn't get the attention it deserves, and that's actually part of what makes it a smart buy. Specifically, the 2013 to 2018 models equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter Cyclone V6, not the EcoBoost twin-turbo version. That distinction matters enormously. The turbocharged EcoBoost is a more complex engine with more potential failure points. If your priority is long-term low-drama ownership, the naturally aspirated V6 is the correct choice. It produces around 288 horsepower, uses a timing chain, and has been deployed across multiple Ford platforms over many years, which means mechanics know it well and parts are accessible and affordable. Paired with a 6-speed automatic, the Taurus drivetrain is engineered for exactly what this car does best: eat in highway miles in a composed, planted manner. It's not a sports sedan, and it was never meant to be. It's a heavy, stable highway cruiser, and that character actually helps its long-term durability because it's not tuned aggressively or pushed to its limits under normal driving conditions. The interior is spacious and practical, with generous room in both rows and a quiet ride that makes long-distance travel comfortable for everyone on board. Two things to watch during inspection. The water pump on this engine is internally mounted, meaning it's not a simple external swap. Verify its service history. Also check transmission behavior carefully and inspect the suspension at higher mileage. The sweet spot is a well-maintained 2014 to 2017 SEL or limited with documented service records. The Taurus won't turn heads, but in repair shops across America, it earns consistent respect, and that's a currency worth more than styling. Chevrolet Impala minus 2014 to 2019, the 2014 to 2019. Chevrolet Impala represents one of the most significant generational improvements of any American full-size sedan in the last 15 years. This generation shed the fleet car image of its predecessor and delivered something genuinely refined. Under the hood, the 3.6-liter V6 produces just over 300 horsepower paired with a 6-speed automatic. GM's 3.6-liter has logged millions of miles across multiple platforms: the Impala, the Traverse, the Camaro, various trucks, which means mechanics are intimately familiar with it. Familiarity is valuable. It means predictable repair, timelines, accessible parts, and no guesswork. On the road, the Impala feels planted and smooth, with confident power delivery that handles highway passing without any sense of strain. Inside, the cabin is spacious and modern for its era, far more refined than the Impalas that spent years in rental fleets and gave the nameplate a mediocre reputation. Maintenance discipline is critical here. Regular oil changes are non-negotiable. Verify the transmission shifts cleanly at all speeds. Listen for suspension noise over rough pavement in higher mileage examples. The sweet spot is a 2015 to 2018 model with documented service history and no history of heavy fleet use. Rental cars and police packages put a different kind of stress on a drivetrain than a private owner ever would. For someone who wants a large, comfortable American sedan with strong power and manageable long-term costs, the current generation Impala is exactly what mechanics point to. Kia Cadenza menos 2014 to 2019. The Kia Cadenza might be the single most undervalued full-size sedan in the American used car market right now. And the reason is simple. Most buyers don't even know it exists. The 2014 to 2019 Cadenza comes with a naturally aspirated 3.3-liter V6 producing around 290 horsepower, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic, no turbo, no air suspension, no over-engineered complexity, just a straightforward, modern V6 powertrain that was engineered for smooth, reliable daily driving and has demonstrated solid long-term durability across real-world use. Inside, the Cadenza is genuinely impressive. Leather seating, a large infotainment screen, a quiet cabin, and a soft, composed ride that competes directly with sedans wearing much more expensive badges. The reason this car flies under the radar has nothing to do with quality, it has everything to do with brand perception. And that perception gap is your opportunity as a buyer. Mechanics respect this car because it's not complicated. The engine architecture is shared across the Hyundai and Kia family of vehicles, which means parts are widely available. Service familiarity is high throughout the US, and repair costs are reasonable compared to anything with a European or even Japanese luxury badge. What to check? Oil change regularity is especially important on direct injection engines, so dig into the service history. Inspect the suspension components at higher mileage and confirm smooth transmission operation. Avoid heavily neglected examples and prioritize private owner vehicles with documented maintenance. The sweet spot is a clean 2016 to 2080 model with records in hand. This is the car for a buyer who wants full-size comfort, modern features, and genuine long-term dependability without the premium attached to a luxury logo. Here's the truth about full-size sedans in today's market. While everyone chases SUVs and crossovers, these 5 cars quietly represent some of the best value available in used vehicles. Space, power, comfort, and proven mechanical durability, often at a fraction of what the same features cost in an SUV. The common thread across all 5 is straightforward: reliable naturally aspirated engines, conventional automatic transmissions, real-world track records, and mechanical familiarity that keeps repair costs predictable and manageable. These aren't exciting cars in the way that the market currently defines exciting, but they're respected consistently, repeatedly by the people who know exactly what breaks and what doesn't. And if you're buying a used car to actually keep and drive for the long term, that kind of respect matters far more than what's trending on a car lot. That comes in at approximately 1,600 words, comfortably over 10 minutes at a natural speaking pace of around 130 to 150 words per minute. Each car section is significantly expanded with more context on the engineering reasoning, buyer guidance, and comparisons to help the audience understand why each car earns its place on the list, not just that it does.